We get out of bed every day to make snack magic. The experience that the consumer has to be supreme, and you have to deliver it consistently. Dynamics 365 gives us confidence that we can make great choices, great decisions in creating an amazing product.
Because the minute you have that one-off experience of the salt is a little bit low or the spice is a bit too high or low, it's a competitive environment. You'll just choose another product.
If there's too much moisture, it can make it a bad experience. If there's not enough, it'll go stale and dry out. So just getting it right is quite scientific and needs to be exact. At Majans, we've really tried to take away the human testing and look to IoT intelligence to do that more consistently and more accurately. We have a system now that can look into the product in real time, which helps us control how big the problem is or understand where it started. People feel so empowered if they can fix the problem themselves. Giving them the data quickly helps them actually fix problems before they become bigger problems. The real benefit of IoT intelligence is being able to get the best person in your organisation to address the issue that needs to be addressed. If you give good people the right information at the right time, they can do incredible things. The industry has always been about efficiency. Time is money. It's not just about producing whatever you produce faster. It's about how information flows through your whole business faster that will really give you competitive advantage.
We're a simple business. We make stuff and we sell stuff, but everything in between is so important to get right.
A lot of times when people eat our snack, they tell us that, oh, you take us in this little journey, you know? It's great, we love it. And that's the type of emotion we want to get with a customer. Dynamics 365 allows you to create that journey over and over again.